Namaskar, I am Anand and you are watching Join for Education. In this class, I am going to discuss about the relationship between refractive index, image distance, and radius of curvature during the refraction at a spherical surface. This is one of the most important topic of ray optics of physics. This class is useful for NEET aspirant, G aspirant and schooling students of class 12 of CBSE, ICSE, JAC and other state board. To start to prove this theorem, it is necessary to know what is the relationship between exterior and interior opposite angle in a triangle, and next what is the relationship between perpendicular and base in a right angle triangle. So let's first of all we discuss about what is the relationship between exterior and interior opposite angle in a triangle. ABC is a triangle, and here C is the exterior angle, and so interior opposite angle of the C will be A and B. So let's see here, this is the exterior opposite angle, and so the interior opposite angle of this exterior angle will be A and B. So the relationship between A, B and C will be angle C equal to angle A plus angle B. We need this relation during the derivation of the formula N2 by V minus N1 by U equal to N2 minus N1 by R. Let's see the next step. Trigonometrical ratio between perpendicular and base in a right angle triangle. We need this relationship during the derive the formula. So let's see here, ABC is a right angle triangle in which angle B is a right angle. So tan theta equal to AB by BC. The reference angle here will be this one, and this is the theta. When theta is very small, then here will be AB by BC. We need this relationship during the derivation of the formula N2 by V minus N1 by U equal to N2 minus N1 by R. Let's see. Now I am going to start to prove this relationship. So we consider about this figure. This is the N1 and N2. This is the refractive index, and these two refractive index separated by a spherical surface NM, and this is the refractive index of the first medium. This is the refractive index of the second medium, and separated by the spherical surface NM. So this is a kind of convex spherical surface, and OMCI is the principal axis of the convex spherical surface. Object O is placed on the principal axis, and due to the refraction of light, image of the object O is formed at I. So suppose this is the angle alpha, this is the beta, and this is the gamma. Let's see the written statement. So consider about a convex spherical surface of radius of curvature r. This is the radius of curvature r. Hope that there is no problem to understand up to this step, which separates two medium of refractive index n1 and n2. U is the object distance and V is the image distance. So this is the relevant diagram or relevant diagram of the n2 by V minus n1 by U equal to n2 minus n1 by r. We need this relevant figure during the proof of to find out the relationship between object distance, refractive index of the medium and image distance and the radius of curvature due to the refraction of light through a spherical surface or through a convex spherical surface. So let's develop the class. So suppose this is the angle alpha NOC and NCO. Suppose this is the beta. Already I have discussed this one. And NIC and this is the gamma. So now we recall the relationship between the exterior and interior opposite angle in a triangle. So we consider about the triangle NO and C. In NOC, I the exterior angle and the interior opposite angle will be alpha and beta. So we have no problem to understand at this step. Here I equal to alpha plus beta. Similarly, here if we consider about the triangle NIC, then beta is the exterior angle and R and gamma is the interior opposite angle. After the simple calculation, we get here R equal to beta minus gamma. Hope that there is no problem to understand at this step. If you have, write into the comment box. I shall try my level best to clear your doubt. So let's see here. Now according to the second law of refraction of light or Snell's law, we know that N1I equal to N2R. So we recall the second law of refraction of light. So in the next slide, this is N1 into I equal to N2 into R. So hope that there is no problem to understand at this step. This step has been written to follow the second law of the refraction of light. Let's see. So here we put the value of I N1 and the value of I is alpha plus beta, and we put here the value of R. So I have written here N2 whole start beta minus gamma. Hope that there is no problem to understand at this step. Let's see the next step. After the proper calculation, we get here N1 into alpha plus N2 into gamma equal to N2 minus N1 into beta. Suppose this is the equation number 1. Now we apply the trigonometrical ratio for the triangle NOM and NMC and NMI. So let's see here, alpha equal to Mn by U. This is the Mn and this is the U and this is the alpha. So according to the relationship between perpendicular and base, with the help of the trigonometrical ratio, already we have discussed about this one. So here alpha equal to Mn by minus U. This is in the left hand side, and we follow here the coordinate sign convention. So the distance of MO will be negative, distance of MC will be positive, distance of MI will be positive. So let's see the beta. So this is the beta, and beta equal to, here will be Mn by R, and hope that there is no problem to understand at this step. And this is the gamma, so gamma will be Mn by V. Now we putting the value of alpha, beta, gamma and in equation number 1, and after the proper calculation we get the relationship between refractive index of the medium and image distance. This is the object distance and this is the radius of curvature. So this is the exact relation due to the refraction of light through the spherical surface. N2 by V, N2 is the refractive index of the second medium when light travels from N1 to N2, and N1 is the first medium, and R is the radius of the curvature, and V is the image distance, and U is the object distance. So hope that there is no problem to understand the complete explanation of this class. If you have, write into the comment box. I shall try my level best to clear your doubt. Hope that this class will be useful to the studying students of class 12 together with aspirants who are preparing for NEET and JEE. And now I am going to over the class. My next class will be related to the some numerical problem related to this derivation or related to this formula. Thank you very much to stay with me till the last step explanation of this derivation. Thank you very much.